Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We bought this heavy lift drone. This thing can lift 60 pounds. We're gonna do some cool stuff with it. We're gonna do an unboxing here really soon, but first, I'm sure many of you have seen on other gun tubers, they're getting strikes or warnings and having to delete videos. We've had to delete about 12 of them so far because YouTube has come up with a new set of rules that they're putting also towards old videos, which I don't understand that, but it's obviously somebody that's not educated in the gun world at all that's making up these new rules. And also the list says not a complete list. So we know probably gun channels are gonna go away on YouTube eventually. They'll just keep making up new rules until you can't even fire a gun on there. Just wanna let you guys know we are on Rumble. We've been on Rumble for about 1.5 years. Most of our videos are on there, so I'll leave a link down in the description below for that. So we are also on Patreon. As you guys know, there's a link in the description as well. That is a paid prescription, and it only costs as low as $1 a month. That's 12 bucks a year. That's like 2 Starbucks coffees. If you guys can do that to continue to help our channels and other channels, we appreciate that. And we're also trying to get on Utreon. They're kind of like a Rumble and a Patreon. You can either watch them videos for free, or you can also do a subscription to the channel. I would love to see every gun tuber leave YouTube, and I hope they go broke for the crazy stuff that they're doing. It's just wrong. We are still doing videos on YouTube. We got this heavy lift drone. We are going to do all kinds of cool drop things from like 500 to 1,000 feet. So definitely comment below, what do you guys want to see us do with this ginormous drone? You're going to see here in just a minute how big this thing is. Anyways, that's what I got for you. Comment below. Let us know what you guys think about the YouTube rules, which are ridiculous. And what do you want to see us do with this drone? So here we go. So I've been waiting for this drone for about a month. Finally got it in just today. As you can see, it's still wrapped by the FedEx stuff. I haven't looked at it. A little concerned there. Got a little puncture here on the wood that the guy made the crate out of. This is used. It's huge. We're not going to fly it in this video because, one, I don't have a controller or batteries. That's about another $1,600 I got to spend. And it's really windy outside. So I'm not going to bore you with all the nails in the boxes. I'll speed all this stuff up, but here we go. All right, that's a lot of screws. Ooh, bubble wrap. Let's see what is in here. Oh my God. How did that guy get this whole thing in this box? I'll never know. This here is just one arm, and it has the motor on it. And these are heavy lift motors. I think they said they can lift, each motor can lift 13.5 kilograms. That's a lot of weight. Cannot wait to do some drop tests with this stuff. Look at that. That's freaking huge. All right, I'm gonna open the rest of these. This here is just 1 foot for the landing gear. This is the body. Good Lord. Check that thing out. That is huge, and it's pretty light. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Let's check out the inside here. Everything has snap lids and stuff on it. This is a Gaia 160. Extremely light, carbon fiber. This thing takes 4 batteries. I don't have the batteries yet. They're $300 and some odd a piece. That is a big body. Holy cow, this thing's huge. I'm gonna open the rest of these arms up and we'll put it together. Holy moly, these are the props. That's insane. God, don't wreck this thing. Replacing these props is gonna be expensive. Look at that, that's a big prop. Keep going. All right, 6 arms, man. Holy cow. Okay, here's this beast. This thing is huge. Let's put it together. Holy moly, that thing's huge. Okay, all these are numbered, that's good. M2606, right here. Now these will plug in here. I'm just gonna put it together just to show you guys the size of this thing. That, my friends, is a big drone. All right, I'm gonna get the props on. I'll show you the difference between this and a DJI Mavic Pro. Where in the heck am I gonna put this thing? My house is only 800 square feet. All right, so here we go. Pretty cool. This thing is huge. Oh my gosh, I didn't think it was this big when I first bought it until I started watching videos on it, and then I was like, what did I get myself into? Cool. So the landing gear on this folds up, and like I said, it picks up about 60 pounds. We're gonna do some cool drop tests with this thing. The first drop test I wanna do with this is a bowling ball, a watermelon, and one of the skulls from Ballistic Dummy Lab from about 500 feet onto concrete and just see what happens. So make sure you guys comment below what you guys wanna see us drop with this thing. Gonna have to make some mortars too. Justin, we're gonna have to get our explosive ordnance license. Let me get the DJI Mavic Pro just to show you guys the difference between this crazy thing. All right, here you go. Here is the DJI, start over. Here is the DJI Mavic Pro. That's the size of most normal drones that us YouTubers use. But going ballistic is either go big or go home. So that's what we got for you guys. This is insane. I cannot wait to try this. So we're still gonna make shooting videos. We're still gonna try to stay in compliance as long as we can with YouTube. But you can see full videos for free on Rumble. Just go over there, sign up, get yourselves a Rumble account. I don't know how long that one will last. But also Patreon, if you guys can afford $1 a month. You'll get early access to every video because we post it there first. And that's what we got for you guys. So again, comment below. Let us know what you guys want to see us do with this crazy thing. My gosh, this thing is huge. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. We appreciate all your support, and we'll be back.